Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, I've been working on this book for years and years and years. There are all sorts of videos all over my YouTube channel where I've done versions and versions of this, and it's gone on for too long. And I was planning to do a Kickstarter project in September, but my heart isn't really in it, and it's a lot of energy in a Kickstarter project. And I've sat down and had a really good think about this, and I've realised it's not... I think it is commercial, but it's not an obviously commercial book. It's not really a children's book. It's about where babies come from. And I think it's possibly more of a kind of a baby shower gift kind of thing, which is something totally different to what I normally do. And part of me is thinking, oh, forget it. And then I have got about 11 clear days ahead of me. So what I am going to do is I am going to make this book over the next 11 days. I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to share it in more depth on my Patreon channel. Click up here to find out more about that. So if you want to know about illustrating and how you put books together and things like that, and kind of the commercial side of it as well, come and join me on Patreon, find out more about that. So I'm setting the clock. I want to get this finished and sent to the printers in 11 days. Okay, I got this little window of opportunity, and that's what I'm going to do. If you want to pre-order this book, you can do. Click up here. I got a page where you can go and pre-order the book right now, and just keep coming back and follow, see what it's all about. In the meantime, keep watching, keep crossing your fingers I do this thing, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.